grab this opportunity to say thank you to the people who inspires me to do the best.
To my family,
teachers, classmates, and schoolmates,
thank you
thank you for all the things you've done to me, for I will never be
what I am.
what I am right now without your presence and guidance.
Again,
Again, say
thank you
thank you for everything.
to my
My fellow graduates, congratulations. Thank you, all.